Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika aka Miss Magic, back with another video. Today I will be showing you how I silk press this young lady, and I will be giving her a style with 2 ponytails. Before we get started, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and hit the notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. Alright guys, let's get right on into this silk press. I've already sectioned her hair into 4 sections and I've begun blow drying it. So we're going to go ahead and get started.
Can someone tell me why every time I fall in love it seems to be at the wrong time? You walked into my life and I knew right then and there I wouldn't get you off my mind. But then I looked you up and there she was, in your arms all cute and stuff. You got someone who signs freaking up. Why does my heart attract overreact, wanting someone that I can't have, can't take it back, this feeling? Why do you gotta be taken? You don't know how long I've been waiting for someone like you. Now there's nothing I can do. Why do you gotta be taken? Can't you see my heart is breaking over you? You're just too good to be true. Why do you gotta be taken? You're surprised that you already got someone. She's lucky to be standing by your side. One look in your eyes, and I wish it could be different because you and me have such a good vibe. Good vibe. But when she calls you up, gets all your love, get lavish, then there goes us. And I'm trying, but you're someone she can trust, which makes me want you more. Even then, before I do anything to be yours, I can't ignore that you adore her. Why do you gotta be taken? Don't know how long I've been waiting for someone like you. Now there's nothing I can do. Why do you gotta be taken? Can't you see my heart is breaking over you? You're just too good to be true. Why do you gotta be taken? Why do you gotta be taken? Taken? Why do you gotta be taken? I'm just wishing you were mine. Seems I found the right one at the wrong time. I'm just wishing you were mine. Can't keep holding on to these feelings inside. Why do you gotta be taken? Can't you see my heart is breaking for you? You're just too good to be true. Why do you gotta be taken? Why do you gotta be taken? Why do you gotta be taken? Oh no, why do you gotta be taken? I'm just wishing you were mine. Why do you gotta be taken? Hold up, tell me what the hold up is. I'm a little spoiled, I'll be the first to admit it. I'm not used to laying low about my feelings. Tell the world or write a book when I'm finished. I should thank your mama, yeah. Look at what she made, sweating you so badly. I'm in summer with no rain. Yeah, I want it, want it, want it, want it more than I want to. I want it, want it, want Job catching my interest and it's working so effective. Got me seeing colors Picasso couldn't paint. You pull me deep and rapture me, leave me no restraint. And I should thank your mama. Oh, look what she made. Lord, I'm sweating you so badly. I'm in summer with no rain. Yeah, I want it, want it, want it, want it more than I want to. I want it, want it, want it, want it. Tell me what I'm supposed to do. Tell me what you got me on my knees, begging, pleading, praying I'll be receiving everything I want from you. Yeah, I want it, want it. Don't you know I want it more than I want to? Usually got way too much pride, but for you I put it aside. 'Cause I can't see you with nobody else. It would eat me up alive. It would eat me up. You know that. It would eat me up. You know that. It would eat me up. You know that. Baby, you know that it would eat me up. Hey, I want it, want it, want it, want it more than I want to. Yeah, I want it, want it, want it, want it. Tell me what I'm supposed to do. You got me on my knees begging, pleading, praying, I'm receiving everything I want from you. I want it, want it. Don't you know I want it more than I want to?
I'm a down south with a West Coast vibe. Keep them Vans on when I slide. Still bang screw when I ride. Palm trees when I walk outside. I'm a down south with a West Coast vibe. Keep them Vans on when I slide. Still bang screw when I ride. When I walk outside. I'm a down south with a West Coast vibe. No, I don't gotta choose sides. No, I ain't gotta choose sides. Oh no, still gotta rep mine. I remember stepping out with the retro fives. No, I don't gotta choose sides. No, I ain't gotta choose sides. Oh no, still gotta rep mine. I'm a down south, yeah, represent me. Used to bang Bum B, Big Mo and Pepsi. But I came to LA, so I bang YG. Hit Rodeo for a fit, now I'm feeling cocky. 9 bands on me, feeling like a Rondo. Get that money coming, want it pronto. Downtown, I had to cop a condo. Down south, I had it poppin', poppin'. Shawty say she staying up in no. She don't need me no more. I'ma teach her something that she don't know. I'ma come through, baby, solo. Are you up for this? I'm just tryna cross it off my bucket list. Say she from Atlanta, cause she just moved. Look me out of the eye, said, boy, you smooth. I'm a down south with a West Coast vibe. Keep them Vans on when I slide. Still bang screw when I ride. Palm trees when I walk outside. I'm a down south with a West Coast vibe. Keep them Vans on when I slide. Still bang screw when I ride. When I walk outside. I'm a down south with a West Coast vibe. No, I don't gotta choose sides. No, I ain't gotta choose sides. Oh no, still gotta rep mine. I remember stepping out with the retro fives. No, I don't gotta choose sides. No, I ain't gotta choose sides. Oh no, still gotta rep mine. Cruising down the street in my 6'4", bumping SUC. I ride slow, Dallas till I die. Know they can't change me. Crenshaw getting cuts, but I'm still the same me. Hollywood do the most, need to take it slower. She on 31st and Western, now I'm coming over. She gon' bust it like a veteran when she bend it over. Baby, you a real one, yeah, I thought I told you. Okay. It's that hospitality, yo. So they really can't be mad at me, yo. But I'm still on the west with the palm trees. Mix it out together long, got a nice tea. Yeah, are you up for this? I'm just tryna cross it off my bucket list. She said she from Dallas, yeah, she just moved. So I looked her eye to eye and said me too. I'm a down south with a West Coast vibe. Keep them Vans on when I slide. Still bang screw when I ride. Palm trees when I walk outside. I'm a down south with a West Coast vibe. Keep them Vans on when I slide. Still bang screw when I ride. When I walk outside. I'm a down south with a West Coast vibe. No, I
invited to any parties. I just sit out from the in crowd and stay within my boundaries. I'd hang on my friends and it was great. We'd go out but not that late. And I really love it, never want to change. But sometimes I can't help but think, am I missing out on something I don't have? Cause I don't wanna give up being good to be bad. I just want some insight on the life of the average teenage dog. One who looks like on the outside that she just has it all. I know that it doesn't matter in the end, but sometimes I feel I'm on the outside looking in. I'm happy where I'm at, so I won't get too vocal. But sometimes I wonder what it's like to be a little bit more social. Not trying to complain, I'm just a little curious. Cause I see the picture, see the post. Reckless me, not even close. Cause why would I be something that I'm not? I should be happy with the friends I've got, but these thoughts still come to mind. And I can't help but wondering sometimes, am I missing out on something I don't have? Cause I don't wanna give up being good to be bad. But I bet if I was there I wouldn't care. I'd dance but I'd stay low. Kids all raising cups while I'm in the back staring at my phone. And I know that it doesn't matter in the end, but sometimes I feel I'm on the outside looking in. And I'm happy where I'm at, so I won't get too vocal. But sometimes I wonder what it's like to be a little bit more social. Thought of what could have been still gets under my skin, but is it worth all the stress, all this constant he said, she saidness? Pressure of society, I won't let it get to me, not defined by popularity. I'll decide who I'll be. I know that it doesn't matter in the end, but sometimes I feel I'm on the outside looking in. And I'm happy where I'm at, so I won't get too vocal. But sometimes I wonder what it's like to be a little bit more social. But sometimes I wonder what it's like to be a little bit more social.
Alright guys, so this is the final look. I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up, and hit that notification bell. Go ahead and share this video out as well. I hope to see you guys in past, present, and future videos. Bye!